So order sa Shopee nga. Ay nagising. This is my Shopee order, potentiometer 500k. Maybe later use in guitar projects. This one, so its brand is WL, so it's commonly made in China. As you can see, so 500k. So for me, this type of potentiometer is good for repair only, but it's quite effective actually. I already use it in many guitars and amplifiers on preamps, especially in guitar pedals for years. This brand WL, but if you want a reputable brand or something that has might be better than this, maybe better quality than this, like the Alpha, like this, for me this kind of potentiometer which is low cost and effective, so I give it I order another this one maybe next month. So thank you, and this is my review. Maybe later I will update you. I will upload videos about it, about how to use this in guitar, or maybe in my future projects. Thank you.